Hey, what's up to Rahul? Back with an interesting video in a new channel with a new setup. Alright, so many of you asked me how to watch a YouTube video in the background. So here's it. So here we are on the main page. Just go to any browser. I'm selecting the Kiwi browser, which I personally like, and search for YouTube Vanced. And in the first place, you'll get the XDA developer page. Just click on that. And then you'll get several options like non-rooted version or rooted version. If your phone is rooted, click the rooted version app, or if it's not rooted, no problem, don't worry, just click the non-rooted version and download it. So before downloading the non-rooted version of the YouTube Vancent, you should first download the micro G, which is very important for logging in. So here you can download the micro G app. I mean, it's a software basically. Wait for a minute. And then you download any of these apps. Like you get many options like white and pink, or white and blue, or white and dark, or white and black. I've chosen the white and black category because I like the black theme or the dark theme, anything. So you just click on that and you can download the version, I mean the unrooted version. So after you have downloaded that, just install it, and if you get an install blockage, just go to your settings and allow the Kiwi browser or whichever browser you are using to allow the installation. I mean to enable the installation. So here try again to install, and now I've installed it again properly, and here you can see this option like YouTube Vancent. It works just like YouTube with a different logo, I must tell. And just click on the sign in option, add account, and here is the main process. Now just type your email ID and password. After doing that, just click on agree to everything and just wait for a second, and then you're good to go. You'll get your account, I mean the YouTube Gmail account, YouTube account. Now let me show you a trial. Let me open a video, any video, and after doing that, you're good to go. You can do anything. The video will be playing in the background. Just look at it. I'm in the home page and the video is still playing in the background. And guys, I recommend you to enable the dark theme. You can just go to settings, click on general, and there you'll see the dark theme option. Just enable it because it may come in handy sometimes, many times, it depends. That was pretty simple, right? That's been it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out.